So we have now come here to the City Palace. The City Palace. Yes, Matka Kulfi. Out here, Matka Kulfi.
Small friends.
क्या कुल्फी है?
प्लेन और केसर मलाई.
Okay, it's time to check out. नहीं आपको. It's time to check out from our room. It's around 11:30 in the morning. What we are going to do is we are going to take a short ride around Jaipur because our train is in the evening, and for the rest the flight is late in the evening. So what we are going to do is first we are going to visit that place, Nahargarh Fort there, and then maybe to Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. I have seen Hawa Mahal from outside. So what we are going to do is we have already hired a Innova. Few of us will be going there and also going to shopping at Bapu Market. According to the locals, that's the best place to get good stuff. So after that, they'll drop us to the station and then the rest to the airport. From here we move to Chittorgarh and then to Udaipur. So it was very cold last night, so I hope it's a comfortable train ride. So we did not get AC coaches because we booked the tickets just day before yesterday, so managed to only get 2 sleeper berths. As you can see, it's a lovely hotel. I mean, I've not been able to show you. This is the dining area. This is the reception out there in front. That's our room on top. Rest of the rooms are all scattered around. This is basically a hotel which has been converted into a residence, which has been converted into a hotel. The fake tanks, fake cannons out there. And before we go, I'd like to take you around once to the other side. This is another part of the residence. It's a beautiful place. There's a swimming pool at the back. Beautiful bougainvilleas out here. Here is the swimming pool. It's winter time, so it's no question having a swim out here. So you can see the entire place. A good panoramic view from this part of the property. So we are now here at Bapu Bazaar, and here this is the famous Bapu Bazaar where people come here to shop for various items like jutis, traditional cloths, mirror work cloths, the stitched cloths. It's very famous out here. Yes. Now they think that we are foreigners, so they will try to rip us off. But we are the Bengalis. We know how to rip them back off. It's a natural instinct for us to do the negotiation. So it's an art, and it's in our DNA. The part negotiation part. So let's see. I have to buy few things. Not sure I'm going to buy all of them out here because there are 2 more places I'm going. I'm sure you get better stuff out here. Let's see the rate, how it comes, and then we'll take a call. So you can see all shops having their names with a number and all look the same. Right from there to there. You can see the shops selling beautiful jutis, bags and everything. So now we are inside this jewelry shop, and here we are going up. So if you are in Jaipur, if you are looking at good jewelry, this is the very good place to. दुकान का नाम क्या है भाई?
Beauty Palace.
Beauty Palace. लोकेशन क्या है?
बापू बाजार.
अरे बापू बाजार तो बोलने तो बापू
लोकेशन तो ये है. शॉप नंबर बता दो. शॉप नंबर 35 बापू बाजार अपोजिट गोलचौक सिनेमा का.
तो आपके यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है सर बोल दीजिए.
जयपुर का जो भी कलेक्शन है हमारे पास वो मिलेगा आपको. ज्वेलरी काफी है अपने पास. मेटल.
See if you can see beautiful stone work and different kind of metal work. So if you are interested, so you can buy the raw materials and make them back in your own when you go back to Kolkata and New Market, there are many people who make them. Apart from that, you can buy these ready-made ones also. And as I have said, repeated myself, I am not buying anything. So if you are in Jaipur, this is one good place to visit. अभी आपका दुकान का नाम क्या है? Number 43, हाँ. Shop number 43. You get very good stuff. 43 Bapu Bazaar. You get very good earrings and all this artificial jewelry at very cheap price. Trust me, I have gone out for $50, $60, $100, $50. You get a lot of stuffs out here. See, these are 25 rupees ka.
It's a fancy store.
Yeah, see the look at of the, see all these stuffs are of 80, 60, 150. So it's very good price range. Yes. So this place is lots of supari and क्या नाम है?
कौन सा अच्छा होगा?
खाने अलग अलग
कौन सा है?
नहीं करो, ये क्या है? ये कच्चा मैंगो। कच्चा मैंगो
ट्राई करिए, अच्छा लगा वो फीडबैक।
इमली वाला है। ये
अनारदाना है।
We have completed our shopping and out here at Bapu Market we have purchased like jutis, some jewelries. We have less time. It's already 1:15 p.m. So maybe we will be able to cover two spots. That is Hawa Mahal and Jantar Mantar, and then we have to head for have lunch, have lassi, and then head for the station while some of my colleagues go to the airport. So the Bapu Market adventure is over. Next, let's see where.
not Bapu Market,
Oh, Bapu Bazaar, not market. Bazaar is that local flavor you get. So let's connect once we go to the next stop. So we have now come here to the City Palace. City Palace. Yes, Matka Kulfi. Out here, Matka Kulfi.
Small friends.
क्या कुल्फी है?
Yes.
This is the Kesar Kulfi.
See a picture.
दिखा, एक निकाल के दिखाओ, आराम से फोटो लेंगे.
आराम से निकालना.
हाँ, हड़बड़ी नहीं, आराम से करो.
वो किंतु ये দিয়ে ঢোকায় নি স্যার. वो किंतु
दिखाओ, एक मिनट होल्ड करो ऐसे. Thank you. This is a Kulfi, Vivek.
Lovely. Fantastic.
एक कुल्फी लेते हैं. हां सही.
After a long time I am
Kulfi. Beautiful Kulfi. Highly recommended. $40. Kesar Kulfi.
But
This is the gate of City Palace, and now we are entering City Palace. Beautiful gate. Beautiful people are all around. There you can see the top of the fort. This is not the main gate. The main gate is that side. So we have come from another gate. Look at this wonderful gate. Solid metal. They used to stop the elephants from climbing the door. Ticket counter for Indians and for foreigners. Now we are coming to Jantar Mantar. We are now entering Jantar Mantar. That's the entrance gate. We don't have much time because we have to catch a train at 4 p.m. So it's 2 o'clock. We have to have lunch, have lassi, and leave. So can't take much time. Here is the Jantar Mantar. God knows what these are, but looks very interesting. How? What are you doing, little buddy? Hello, buddy. This is the Samrat Yantra. I think this is the main one, which is used to take the time. Unfortunately, if you see up, it's cloudy. I mean that portion where the sun is, so we cannot see the sun rays falling and see the time. Actually, Samrat Yantra.
Manuel. Yeah, this is a Taurus. Your Taurus.
So these are the different sun signs actually: Cancer, Taurus. That's the Virgo. So we have come to this restaurant, Royal Jaipur Palace, where we'll be having again non-ones, and I am trying a non-veg thali out here because coming to Rajasthan, especially in Jaipur, and not trying to thali, it's the same. And so we are waiting. We have specially ordered less tikha because we don't like so much spicy.
It was very nice. This is the first time that I have seen an elephant in my entire life. Thank you.
Is this ours? Let's see. Yes, this belongs to us. And here comes the Royal Thali, non-veg thali. कौन सा क्या था बता दीजिएगा ना रिकॉर्ड के लिए. This is papad, salad, rice, gulab jamun, raita, paneer, chicken, mutton, dal, roti. सब कुछ है इसमें. Let's dig in. This roti is very soft, tied with this paneer, and it's just wonderful. Wonderful. This chicken is just simply wonderful, marvelous. Soft, juicy, and I think they've given butter on top. Good. Now trying the dal. Let's see how it is.
Chicken mutton do you?
Oh, the dal is super. Now it's turn to taste the mutton. Let's see how it is. Pretty good. Highly recommend it. Let's try out the rice because they have been rice also. Good.